Welcome back everybody to 79th Street and the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host Broncos Guru in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another beautiful day back down here at the ramp. And somebody's having a good time out there on the water. And let's see how that fares as our crew approaches the dock. And they've spotted the camera. Oh, here we go, showing off for the camera as usual. Oh no! Oh no! Took it a little too far, bro. Oh my gosh, I hope he's alright. Okay, he's giving a thumbs up, so at least physically he's okay. And I don't even know what he's holding on to. He was holding on to something he was trying to show off as he was dancing, but the show-off has definitely backfired on this one. So, we're going to try and pick him up. Are we going to put him on the swim deck, or what are we doing, guys? Probably need to do this a little bit quickly because, oh, there we go. Throwing something out to help him out. I'm like, he's got stuff in his hands, and he definitely appeared to be struggling swimming just a hair. Oh, try to flex on the camera, and the flex backfires. Not that uncommon. And so, not sure what they're trying to do here with the approach. I mean, at this point, it might almost be easier just for him to swim in or swim over to the dock. It's a dangerous spot with boats coming in and out. I'll admit that, though, as well. I really wouldn't want to be in the water here. Is the line attached to the life preserver? Can't you just pull him over, or no? I guess not. It's just a line they're dragging behind them. And there we go, the bow ladder. That'll probably be a fairly easy approach. But you probably gotta actually lower it, bro. We're in no rush to make the approach for some reason, though. We've kind of just stalled. Here we go. We're going to make the swim to the vessel. Go for the reach. Oh, there we go. We're starting to pull the ladder out now. He needs to pass whatever's in his hands up. Let's see if he can get up, man. Oh, it looks like it's going to be a rough one. Here we go. We're going to start our attempt to climb up. But the struggle is real on this one. Definitely not a firefighter. So our crew here definitely does not like the response they're getting, as security here is telling them to move. Basically, they're on a jet ski only ramp. They designate some of these just for jet skis and some just for boats to kind of keep things moving. And some are just launch and some are just retrieve. But our guy's trying to drop his people off. And she's like, no, get everybody in the boat, get out of here, and go to another dock. Not having it at all, and Cap is not liking the answer. Well, it appears Captain's finally giving up the debate on this one. I mean, this is one of those ones you were never going to win anyway, bro. I can't tell 100% what they're saying here either. I don't think Captain's pulling his boat, and I believe she's saying if you're not pulling your boat, you can't leave them here either, which is a little strange. But I could be wrong. Once again, I'm just trying to interpret what I'm hearing at a distance. But he's pulling off the dock, and we'll live to fight another day. Here we go. These guys are waiting, and there we go. Camera spotted. Now we'll get some love.
Keep doing what you're doing, man. That looks good.
This is where things can get tough sometimes. I love it when people wave to the camera and acknowledge it, but then you still got to approach the dock fully aware that you're being recorded and the camera is now on you. And these are the ones I don't want to go bad because they're so nice to us. But here we go. Let's see how Cap does as he approaches. Hopefully he shows us a good approach and a good dock. And then we can just give him props. So he's backed off. Current's caught him a little bit, but he's not in any kind of bad spot because he's far enough out that they still got plenty of time to make a commitment because they really haven't done that yet. Looks like Cap, here we go. He's got it back into forward gear, and he's going to go ahead and make that approach. Definitely taking the cautious approach, which is not a terrible approach around the docks. I mean, it's like the golden rule says, never approach anything any faster than you're willing to hit it with a boat. Our Cap's definitely not in any danger right this second of hitting anything too fast. And there we go. Now he's going to give it a little throttle. Girls in the bow on the ready. I don't see any lines, so we're just going to go with the old hand and grab method. And we're going for the stretch. One of the girls has reached out, thinks she's got the dock. She lets it go, and here we go. Cap's going to reverse us in, and they should be good to go from here. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.